3D background grind making technique, head opening animation and head shaking effects, and many such trending and viral edits we are going to learn in today's video. So don't miss out today's video, because it's going to be very interesting, and also you will learn the basic works of editing. So without wasting our precious time, let's dive into today's topic. Open the Pixel Lab application. I have imported the random image. Now we will animate it. Now select the image and go to the mask option and enable it. Now adjust this mark as required. After adjusting properly, click on the Out option and now select the image and copy the image. Again, come to the mask option and select the In option. Adjust the head properly and make the background transparent and export the image. Now come to the CapCut application and import the original image here. Now to make it look attractive, I will add a keyframe at the starting point and drag this image downwards. Now I will slightly move forward and pull out the image and add another keyframe here. Now I will import the edited image. Now bring this layer next to this layer. Now select this image and crop the image like this. I will crop the head portion only. Now duplicate this image and bring the layer below this layer, and again crop the bottom part. So after this, adjust the image. After adjusting the images, select this layer and add a keyframe at the beginning. Now adjust this head here. Now move forward and add another keyframe and pull out the image. Now to make it more professional, go to the Graph option and select Ease Out 3 options. After this, I have imported the brain image PNG. You can easily get this in Google if you type brain PNG. Now adjust its size and go to the Layer option and select Layer 1. Now select this layer and add a keyframe at the beginning. Now slightly move forward and add another keyframe here and pull out the brain image. Again, to make it a professional, go to Graph option and select Ease Out 3 options. Now the final output looks like this. To make a 3D grind, firstly we need to search for the background. Go to Google and search for a simple black background. You can download any one of them. So after downloading the material, come to the Pixel Lab application. Now I will import the background here. Adjust its size fully. Now click on the image and simply copy the image. Now you will lock the background. Now select this image and go to the 3D Rotate option and rotate the X-axis up to 60 degrees. Now adjust this layer by dragging like this. You need to drag this layer until it's fixed properly. You can also adjust it according to you. So finally, after adjusting the layer properly, the final result comes out like this. You can use this 3D grind in your videos, which will gain the attention of the viewers. For this type of edit, we will take help of the Pixel Lab application. I will import some random pictures of men standing. Now go to the Shapes option and select the circle shape. Now adjust the circle according to the man's head. Go to the Inner Shadow option and enable it. Increase its blur radius and slightly decrease the Y-axis. You can adjust this according to your requirements. After completing, export the image. Now come to the CapCut application. Import the image and adjust its size. I will import the smiling face PNG. You can easily get this material in Google. Adjust the size. Now select this layer and add a keyframe at starting and slightly adjust here. Now add another keyframe at the end point. And adjust the smiley face downwards. Now go to the Graph option and select Custom. Now watch carefully, adjust these graphs like this. After adjusting the graphs like this, the result comes out like this. I showed the basic trick about how it's done. You can try this for many emojis. So guys, this was today's video. I hope you are loving the editing tutorials. You can use these editing techniques in your videos to gain some viewers' attention. I am thinking of editing tutorials on gaming videos and document videos. So please do comment your opinion also, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do subscribe to the channel and keep supporting. Until then, you have a lot more editing tutorials to watch on this channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.